Tired of the endless root battle? Discover the stunning, low-maintenance secret to embracing your gorgeous gray. Reverse Balayage. This game-changing technique blends silver and depth seamlessly for a sophisticated, modern look. 1. Silver Ash Contour. Silver Ash Contour is perfect for those with a cool skin tone who want a subtle yet defined transition. The darker ash-toned base provides a striking contrast to the gray, making the silver highlights pop. It offers dimension without a harsh demarcation line, ideal for professional settings. This style is excellent for blending new gray growth, extending the time between salon visits. The contouring effect enhances cheekbones and jawline, creating a flattering, youthful lift, suitable for fine to medium hair density. 2. Deep Charcoal Melt. The Deep Charcoal Melt is a dramatic choice for high-contrast lovers. It integrates deep, nearly black charcoal into the gray, giving the hair a luxurious, expensive feel. This technique works wonders on coarse or thick hair, adding intense depth. This melt provides the longest-lasting color, as the dark lowlights are less prone to fading than traditional highlights. It's a great option for minimizing brassiness and giving a deliberate, intentional look to the growing out process. 3. Silver Mushroom Blend. The Silver Mushroom Blend uses muted, earthy tones to achieve a natural, effortless look. The mushroom brown lowlights provide a softer landing for the gray, making it incredibly wearable and chic for all skin tones, especially warm ones. This technique is ideal for blending yellowish or dull gray hair. The cooler brown lowlights neutralize unwanted warmth while adding a sophisticated, smoky depth. It maintains a soft appearance, perfect for a casual yet refined aesthetic. 4. Rooted Platinum Gray. Rooted Platinum Gray gives the illusion of a purposeful, high-end color while minimizing damage and maintenance. A deeper shadow root is applied only at the top, allowing the platinum gray ends to shine. Perfect for women with light eyes. This style allows a beautiful, natural gray to grow in underneath the shadow root, offering the ultimate in low commitment. The contrast between the dark root and bright ends gives an edge and makes the platinum appear even brighter. 5. Pearl Nude Lowlights. Pearl Nude Lowlights introduce a warm yet sophisticated dimension to gray hair. The soft, beige pearl tones prevent the overall look from being too stark or cool, offering a flattering radiance to fair skin tones. Its subtle elegance. This shade is a hidden gem for those who find pure gray too aging. The nude lowlights add warmth and movement, creating a polished, multi-tonal finish that looks intentional and beautifully maintained. Great for medium hair density. 6. Midnight Blue Depth. For the daring and stylish, Midnight Blue Depth is an arresting choice. The lowlights, a dark, ink-eye blue, contrast beautifully with bright gray, adding a trendy, jewel-toned richness that is subtle yet eye-catching in different lights. This color helps neutralize yellow tones in gray hair due to the blue's counteracting properties. It provides incredible depth and a pop of color that is sophisticated, not childish, best suited for those with a strong sense of style. 7. Smoky Violet Lowlights. Smoky Violet Lowlights introduce a unique, subtle warmth to gray. The muted violet tones prevent the overall color from appearing flat, offering a cool, multidimensional smoke effect. It is incredibly flattering for both cool and neutral complexions. Violet tones are excellent for counteracting greenish casts that can sometimes appear in older gray hair. The smoky effect adds a layer of mystery and sophistication, making the grow-out process stylish and intentional. 8. Espresso Brunette Ribbons. Espresso ribbons provide maximum contrast and boldness. The deep, rich brunette lowlights are striking against the light gray, giving an immediate impression of thicker, denser hair. This look is stunning on those with olive or warm skin tones. This high-contrast style is one of the easiest to maintain, as the deep lowlights fade minimally. It offers a powerful, youthful definition and works beautifully with curly or highly textured hair, where the ribbons can truly shine. 9. Icy White Money Piece. The Icy White Money Piece, combined with reverse balayage, focuses brightness around the face while the rest of the hair gets dimension. This brings light to the eyes and complexion, creating a focal point that is ultra-modern and trendy. It's a low-commitment way to test the reverse balayage trend. The dark lowlights are mostly placed away from the face, making the overall look brighter and lower maintenance than a full color change. Excellent for fine hair needing lift. 10. Soft Greige Dimension. Soft Greige Dimension utilizes a blend of gray and beige greige for the lowlights. This provides a softer, warmer, and more transitional blend than pure ash or charcoal, making it the most natural-looking option for a subtle refresh. Greige is the perfect choice for individuals who want to enhance their natural salt and pepper look without dramatic contrast. It adds gentle depth and body, making hair look thicker and healthier without a drastic change.